This is Leo Lewiston. So welcome back to our channel again. So another tour tayo. Ayan. So nakakailan na ba tayo? 1, 2, third tour na to for this week, fam. So this is still in Lewiston. Ito naman ang medyo gusto namin ni Mommy na size, 1900 square. So yung last time 2300, 2500, ito 1900. So parang ito yung sweet spot na tinitingnan namin ni Mommy. So ito yung entrance niya. And kung saan ako nanggaling, imagine nyo na lang na garahe yan. Garage yan. So pagpasok, ayan, kunyari, papasok tayo. Ayan. So may bench, bihis and all. And closet is nandito. Okay, yeah. So meron siyang, ayan. Nakakita din tayo ng powder room. Kasi yung last two kasi walang powder room, buong bed eh. And then ito yung mud room. Okay, so dito ka magbibihis and all. And then tagusan ng pantry. So medyo malaki pa rin talaga siya. Okay. So maganda. Mukhang magugustuhan ko yung layout nito. So ito usually ay papuntang basement yan.
Basement, pero unfinished to.
Unfinished siya. So tingnan na rin natin. Okay, let's just check out. So unfinished to. Again fam, this is 1,900 square. So just a quick check. Ayan. Okay, and it looks like
office.
nilagyan na nila ng room dito. Pero yeah, unfinished siya. And I'll ask the price mamaya fam. So hindi ko na. So akyat na tayo ulit. And let's go to the main sala and kitchen.
Parang ito yung gusto kong color.
Ayan. Ganda. Yeah. This one, sakto. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect size. Hindi siya oversized. Hindi siya OA. Perfect size. At sabi ni Mommy fam, ito na daw na combination ng gusto niya. White and beige. Or yung parang light brown.
Yeah. Aesthetic.
Tapos white itong mga to. Mga cabinets. So before we proceed, meron ditong pantry. Yan, so that's what I've said. Tagusan siya sa mudroom. So diretso yung mga groceries nyo. So quick pan. Yan. Napakaganda. Nandito din yung dining nila. And yung living room. So living room, not so big, not so small. Just nice. And can you imagine fam, if nandyan kayo, diba, nagluluto, kita nyo lahat.
Yeah, open concept talaga siya.
So let's get that shot. Ayan fam, so if you could imagine, nagluluto ka, doon yung mga bisita. Ilan ka siya dito? Mga 10? Tapos dito, another 10 visitors din. So 30 kayo lahat or 20 kayo lahat. Kasya. Yan. So look, ganda. And then the balcony. Let's see. So nakalock siya, pero balcony. Ayan. Small balcony lang, pero good na good yan. And again, walk-out lot pa din to. Yung pinaka-basement, baba. Pwede kang dumiretso. Okay, so another pan naman from this angle. There you go. So, coming from the entrance, garahe, entrance, nandito sa side, on the left. So, akyat na tayo. The window could have been bigger, pero okay na rin siya.
As long as may natural light.
Yeah.
Of course.
And then, ayan. Siyempre, Parang ito yung gustong-gusto ni Mommy, fam. May family room. Kasi para kasing pwede ka mag-relax dito bago ka pumasok sa bed.
Or pag natutulog yung mga bata.
Pwede ka
dito
manood
lang,
dito.
and then
Yeah,
accessible.
correct. So, ang goal kasi ni Mommy ay walang TV sa loob ng bed. Hanggang ngayon ba, wala kaming TV sa bedroom namin. So, limited ba? Nandito lang yung entertainment, nandito lang yung mga TV. Or playroom dun sa gilid. Mga kalat nilang toys, di ba?
I like
So,
color
there you go.
combination.
To the right. Ayan. Ang magandang laundry room.
Uy, ang laki ng laundry room nila. Tapos pwede kang magkaroon dito. Sampayan kasi may
Yeah.
sun.
Sampayan talaga.
Sampayan.
O sige,
Paano
gusto
ka
mo
dito
ng
na
sampayan?
sampayan?
Ilaban natin yung sampayan lang.
Diba?
Yes.
Natural na ano, parang hindi
Again,
tayo
kung
lagi
bahay mo to, do whatever you want.
nag-dryer.
Yeah.
And of course, the laundry, the linen. The common bathroom. Full bath siya. Kasi nga common siya eh. So, I like the color. So,
White.
pwede towel. Pwede pakopya na rin ng towel.
Ayan. White, gold, brown.
Yeah.
Cream.
Cream.
Ayan.
So, ganda natin.
Okay. Okay, let's head to the first common room.
Ang cute din ito kasi sila, magkatabi.
First common room, good size common room.
Yeah. Pang
Normal
kids
siya,
talaga,
pang kid
normal
siya.
ano.
Pwede nang pang adult din to.
Yeah,
Pero
I mean,
on the side lang siya.
Yeah.
Pero good size. Good size.
Para itong ginawang baby room daw.
Yeah. Okay, and then of course, may view dito. Road view. So,
And
quick
they
pan
have
tayo
the
fam dito.
Faucet.
Here you go.
And on the left, another common.
Tingnan naman tayo dito sa
Same
isang
view.
common room.
Same.
Maganda din yung view. Good size din siya,
Good
pang
size.
boys naman, no?
Yeah.
Yung theme nito. So, yung
Alam mo,
kanina,
parang boys
pang
and
girl.
girls talaga yung
Yeah.
parang setup. Eh, no? Two kids
right.
lagi, na?
Yeah. Yeah. Parang fishing talaga sa atin to eh, no? Two kids, no? Girl and boy. Yan. Then, good size closet. Yan, normal lang. Ganda. Okay. Okay. Then, again, nasa family room tayo. So, dire-diretso tayo. At dito ang master's bedroom. Okay. Mas malaki yung master's bedroom namin ngayon sa townhouse compared dito. Well, dito mo siya na-observe na 1,900 nga siya, no? Yung parang maliit, pero maganda pa rin naman yung
Pero siguro pwede natin
divide nila.
liit-liitan yung family room.
Yeah. So, ito fam, oh. Ayan. Ang view ng masters. So, let's do a quick pan here. Yan. Maganda. Gandang maganda. Tapos, let's go to the toilet. Ganda. Ayan, cream gold. Yan pala gusto ni Mommy. Okay. Your wish is my command. Plus, yung ito, fam. Gusto ni Mommy yung ganitong kulay na cabinet. Siyempre, soft close.
Either this or white.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, may walk-in closet.
So, bathtub, private toilet, standy shower,
Parang kwarto na din tong walk-in closet.
and then walk-in closet. Ang laki ng walk-in closet. Wow. Nice. Nice job.
I think this is a good size.
No?
Very
Good size siya.
Yeah.
Like this.
This is the acceptable
Yeah.
size.
Yeah,
Not too big, not too
it's
small.
really perfect, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I forgot to ask the lady downstairs, fam, kung magkano to. Pero I'll ask her. For sure, mga around 700 to. or less even. So let's see, and yeah, so i-update ko kayo sa price dito. But let's just go to the next one naman for the next episode. Okay fam, so yung house na yun, it's around 2,000 na talaga. 1,999 square feet siya. Ang daming promotions ngayon. So, alam niyo talagang buyer's market. So, for the folks na interested dun sa price, less everything, less all the discounts that they currently have, it's just gonna be around 670, 680. So, ang price niya talaga ay 740. And then less 20, less 10. Madami siyang less, fam. So, parang around 670, 680 na lang. Yung last na, yung house na yun. So, there you go. And, kausapin muna natin yung agent. And we'll check it out kung ano pa ang meron sila na house or showroom. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Meron pa akong isa fam for the next video naman. Nag-house tour na talaga tayo ng marami. So again, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Hang loose!